Now, how could you loop voice memos on the iPhone? Let me show you the way that you could make it work and explain it the general way you can go about it. If it's your first time in here, definitely subscribe for more tips and videos like this one. Well, of course, when you get inside the voice memos and you want to try to make the voice memo be repeated, well, by default, it doesn't work. And when the voice voice recording goes to the end, you have to play it again to make it go from the beginning. However, if you tap on the three dots and click on share, you can then export the audio message or voice recording into a different app. And since we cannot loop the voice memos inside of this app, we have to get it outside of this and use a different application. So you can see I can tap on more and export it to any of these apps. And the best one is the VLC video player or video/audio player, which you can get for free from the App Store. So if you don't have it, you just go to the App Store and then download it right there to begin with, and then you can export it from the voice memos into the VLC player like that. So that is how you could technically make it work. And the point is that inside of this application, the audio has much different things and like different features for it, right? So you will have the ability to repeat it and loop it inside of this app, whereas in the voice memos, it was simply not possible. So I hope it makes sense. I hope you are able to export it and make it work. Hit the thumbs up if you found the video helpful, and I'm gonna catch you in the next tutorials as well.